Hey guys, I've missed you. Welcome to part 2 of the case of Frank. Today you will re-enter into Frank's assessment. So you'll be here in SimuCase and you will hit resume if you saved and exited. Now, if you are not happy with your score, if you didn't hit that 80% mark for the first half of the assignments, then you can restart if you choose to. Remember, you need to hit an 80% mark for overall to be at mastery level to complete this assignment by Friday at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember that the recommended time for completion is around 90 minutes. So hopefully, since we're giving you ample time to review today, that will be possible for you. Okay? So before you go in to SimuCase, I would like you to go into Blackboard. And let's see if we can get this to minimize here. I want to show you this. I hope y'all still see me. Do you still see me? Yes. Okay. So this is just a list of all the different kinds of assessments, and some of them I didn't put on there explicitly because it was like range of motion, manual muscle testing. You know what that is and whether or not that would be appropriate during an evaluation or not. But there'll be 10 different items or assessment methods that will be used in the case of Frank that I think it might benefit you to go through some of these. Now, some of these are from PEDS, and I don't know if y'all went through the COSA or not, but this is a really good assessment that we used to use in mental health with children. But there's I put all these different things, assessments on here for you to explore in order to have a good chance at making the correct choices for his assessment. So make sure you look through these. For the vision ones, 3 of them are PEDS ones, so there's only one that's appropriate. I bet you can figure out which one it is. But that way you have some kind of idea and have a way to explore the assessments before you go in for the selection process. Now, after you do after you do the assessments, you're going to go in and do your findings. And when you do findings, remember it needs to be things that were formally tested, things that were found out in the medical record or from direct collaboration, and only do things that you are absolutely 100% certain that he's been diagnosed with or that you found in the findings. So make sure it's based on fact and that it is certain when you do your findings, okay? And for the recommendation section, you're just going to choose one and really keep in mind that he's in an independent living facility and think about his occupational priorities, okay? Try to get through this before you debrief with your educator, whether it's me or Dr. Woods today, but if you don't, that's okay too. But remember, it's due at 11:59 on Friday. And we look forward to talking to you about the case of Frank. Have a great day.